Next, Policy Brief, a presentation of the policies of the United States government.
The United States calls on the Russian government to bring to justice those responsible for the murder of Natalia Estemirova, a leading human rights defender in Chechnya who was found shot dead in Ingushetia. U.S. National Security Council spokesman Mike Hammer called on the Russian authorities to demonstrate that lawlessness and impunity will not be tolerated. Such a heinous crime, said Mr. Hammer, sends a chilling signal to Russian civil society and the international community and illustrates the tragic deterioration of security and the rule of law in the North Caucasus over the last several months. As a researcher for the Memorial Human Rights Center, Ms. Estemirova had been at the forefront of efforts to investigate human rights violations and had worked for accountability in Chechnya for more than 10 years. Ms. Estemirova focused on bringing to light the violent trend of extrajudicial executions, punitive house burnings, abductions, and arbitrary detentions in Chechnya. She courageously criticized government authorities for abuses and for failing to bring perpetrators to justice. Natalia Estemirova's death is one in a series of attacks and murders of journalists, lawyers, and activists seeking justice for human rights violations, particularly in Chechnya. These murders should be thoroughly investigated and the perpetrators brought to justice.
That was Policy Brief, a presentation of the policies of the United States government.